Hello Handwork Studio, I hope you're having a wonderful day today and welcome to another DIY project. My name is Allie and one of my favorite things about fall is the pumpkins. So today we are going to be making our own pumpkins with just a few simple things. You'll need some yarn, a box cutter, some scissors, pipe cleaners, foam balls, and a hot glue gun. Let's get started. First, we're going to take our foam balls and our X-Acto knife and scissors, and we're going to cut halfway through our ball. And then once your foam ball is in two halves, we're going to go ahead and use our scissors to poke a hole into the middle. And you want to make sure that your hole is wide enough so that you can stick your fingers and yarn through it. So now that we have the two halves of our pumpkins cut out in the middle, we're going to go ahead and get our yarn and string it all the way through to decorate. I'm going to go ahead and start with red. I'm going to take my yarn, pull it through the middle, and then you're going to connect these two ends. So that it looks like that. And then we're just going to go around and string our yarn all the way through to decorate it. So now we have our pumpkin decorated all the way through around, and we have this extra yarn that we're going to go ahead and cut off, and then we're going to hot glue it right into the middle of our pumpkin. Okay, and the very last step, no pumpkin is complete without a stem. So we're going to go ahead and take our pipe cleaner, and I'm going to use about half and hot glue the stem right inside and give my pumpkin a little bit of a twist. And there you have it, our little yarn pumpkins. I'm gonna go ahead and go put this thing up in my house, and I can't wait to see what yarn pumpkins you create. Happy crafting!